This tiny device is the amplifier, but it has to be connected by this wire to the data acquisition system. And it is supposed to be connected to the channel number 2, the input channel number 2. We connect it this way, and then we turn the device on with this little switch over there, so that the LED glows, and this makes us understand that the device is started. It is communicating with the computer by Bluetooth. So you have to activate the Bluetooth and to pair the device properly with your computer so that the data can be recorded. Software in order to record the EOG or electroculogram and to check if we obtain the signal as expected. The expected polarity of the response is positive for the saccades on the right and negative for the saccades on the left. The device is identified, and the second channel is supposed to be electroculogram. The acquisition rate is 1 kHz, and we start acquisition. It takes sometimes a bit long to initialize it, and sometimes it fails. But at the moment, everything goes well. So, pay attention to the second trace, which already demonstrates some kind of signal, but with simultaneous recording of the electrophysiology and the video, I will demonstrate you that the signal has the polarity as expected. So, those two objects I place in front of me to better identify the fixations. Now the gaze is fixated on the center, and then I rapidly saccade to the right and back. And you see a beautiful deflection in the positive polarity. Now I do about the same thing, but with the opposite direction. A brief saccade to the left and back. And now it is negative. And it is easy to identify the latency of the response quite precisely as soon as you know the onset of the stimulus. After the recording is finished, the data can be saved when you click on this little floppy drive at the bottom. And don't forget to indicate the postfix of your file name so that you don't forget which is the data you record.